Welcome to the next section of Traefik Training. In this section, it's all about tracing. And tracing is more of an advanced topic when you're getting into development of your service. What is tracing exactly? Well, tracing allows developers to visualize the flow of traffic through traffic to the actual service. Now, you can actually do tracing without traffic, but in this case, tracing, you want to see the entire flow. You want to see the request go into traffic, flow through traffic, and then end up in your application. And using this, you can actually identify if there's any performance issues, or if there's any transaction problems, or if you're distributing the transaction over multiple services, you can see how this flow is actually working. So tracing is very important in troubleshooting, as well as like identifying any problems within your service. Now, tracing is integrated into Traefik and allows us to instrument traffic to connect to our services. Now, to properly use tracing, you actually need to instrument your application with the tracing libraries. For example, Jaeger, you can implement Python or your different application that you need into your application. Now, Traefik itself supports 6 different tracing backends. So Jaeger, Zipkin, Datadog, Instana, Haystack, and Elastic. So there's different possibilities to use, but it's all kind of configured the same way. Now, what does tracing actually look like? This is a screenshot from Jaeger, and this actually identifies how the flow of traffic goes through when we're trying to access our application. So you can actually see the front end, how long it takes, then it hits each step of the application, it hits the MySQL, and it gets down. You can see some issues with Redis as it hits an issue here. So it helps you visualize the flow of traffic through your application. It's very helpful, but like I said, it's a bit of a more advanced topic, more of a developer topic, because you're actually instrumenting your application to visualize these results. Now, tracing, like I said, is available within Traefik, so you can actually see if this were the case, traffic would be up here, and you can actually see the ingress request come in and then it flowing into your application. So that's how it works within Traefik. And that's all for this section. So join me as we go into the observability recap and really understand what we covered in this section.